Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have to use the u equal to 7 ds. Because we don't have the number 7 in here, so we divide both sides by number 7. So this one we change by u. The s we change by this one. So number 2 over 7. I will put in here. U I will put in here. So we need to add number 1 in here. Later that we need to minus number 1. So this one divided by this one, we have number 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, we have u. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of 1 plus u. And I will put about c in here. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.